Imagine tiny furnaces within every cell, constantly burning into fuel that powers life processes. That's the essence of cellular respiration, the process by which cells produce energy in form of ATP, the universal currency for energy in living organisms. This vital process involves several intricate stages, each playing a crucial role in converting glucose, our primary source of energy, into usable energy. Respiration is an essential process carried out by all living organisms to survive. When you run to catch a school bus, you find yourself breathing faster. It is because your body requires extra energy for running, which is provided by respiration, and this resulted in your rapid breathing. Breathing is an integral part of respiration, but as a whole, it is a phenomenon that keeps our body going. So with this, we can say cellular respiration is a set of metabolic reactions occurring inside the cell to convert biochemical energy obtained from food into a chemical compound called adenosine triphosphate. Metabolism refers to a set of chemical reactions carried out for maintaining the living state of the cells in an organism. These can be divided into two categories: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the process of breaking down molecules to obtain energy, while anabolism is the process of synthesizing all compounds required by the cells. Let's look into the main metabolic processes that are involved in cellular respiration. The overall process can be distilled into three main metabolic stages. 1. Glycolysis. Number 2. The TCA cycle, which is the tricarboxylic acid cycle, and then the oxidative phosphorylation. First of all, let's go into glycolysis. Glycolysis, which is also known as glycolytic pathway, is a sequence of 10 chemical reactions taking place in most cells that break down glucose molecules into two pyruvate molecules, or pyruvic acids. Energy released during the breakdown of glucose and other organic fuel molecules from carbohydrate, fat, protein during glycolysis is captured and stored in ATP. In addition, the compound NAD+ is converted to NADH. Pyruvate molecules produced during glycolysis then enters the mitochondria, where they each are converted into a compound known as acetyl coenzyme A, which then enters the TCA cycle. Now, let's move over to the TCA cycle. The TCA cycle, which is known as Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, plays a central role in the breakdown of organic fuel molecules. This cycle is made up of 8 steps, catalyzed by 8 different enzymes that produce energy at several different stages. Most of the energy obtained from TCA cycle, however, is captured by the compounds NAD+ and flavin adenine dinucleotide FAD and converted later to ATP. The product of a single turn of a TCA cycle consists of 3 NAD+ molecules, which are reduced to the same number of NADH molecules, and then FAD molecules, which is similarly reduced to a single FADH2 molecule. These molecules go on to fuel the third stage of cellular respiration, whereas carbon dioxide, which is also produced in the TCA cycle, is released as a waste product. In the oxidative phosphorylation stage, each pair of hydrogen atom removed from NADH and FADH2 provides a pair of electrons that, through the action of a series of ion-containing hemoprotein and cytochromes, eventually produces one atom of oxygen to form water. In 1951, it was discovered that the transfer of one pair of electrons to oxygen results in the formation of 3 molecules of ATP. The series of steps which electrons flow to oxygen permits a gradual lowering of the energy of the electron. This part of oxidative phosphorylation stage is sometimes called electron transport chain. Some description of cellular respiration that focuses on the importance of electron transport chain have changed the name of oxidative phosphorylation stage into simply electron transport chain. Now, let's look at the yield of cellular respiration. By the end of all these intricate processes, a single molecule of glucose has yielded a remarkable 36 to 38 ATP molecules. This represents the incredible efficiency of cellular respiration, extracting about 40% of the available energy from glucose. Now, let's compare cellular respiration to photosynthesis. While respiration breaks down molecules for energy, photosynthesis in plant performs the opposite, capturing sunlight's energy to build complex molecules like glucose. These two processes are intricately linked, forming a foundation of the global carbon cycle and sustaining life on Earth. Now, let's look at the relevance of understanding cellular respiration. Understanding cellular respiration is not just an academic knowledge. It has profound implications in various fields of life. Let's take, for example, health and exercise physiology. Under health, studying energy metabolism helps us comprehend diseases like diabetes and mitochondrial disorder. Alright, thanks for watching. You can find other materials on cellular respiration to give you further understanding on what cellular respiration actually is. Once again, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.